Hi, so this is a video introducing you to how to set up a blog. A blog is a space for recording and reflecting on your studies, and hopefully in the course we will be able to show you how useful this can be to you. In this video I'm going to introduce you to Wordpress. Wordpress is a free website that lets you set up a blog. If you go to the internet and search, you will find something like this. If you click on create a website, you should get that. The first time you access WordPress, you will need to create an account. So you'll need to add your email address, a username that hasn't been used before, and a password. Don't forget to write down your password somewhere so that if you forget it, you can go and check what it is. You can also join with Google or with Apple if you prefer. Start a website and then you're in. Now you just need to type in a name. I would suggest that you use your course name and your family name or something like that. So maybe EAC and your family name Jones. At this point you'll get offered to pay some money, but you don't need to do this, right? You do not need to click on $5 or $10. If you just stick with the free website, that's fine. Not sure yet? Start with the free website. Click here. Okay, so as I said, the name of your suggested blog should be something along the lines of EAC family name, so EAC Jones. EAC Utaz Jones, perhaps, EAC and first name like EAC Chris EAC. Once you've got your website name, Utaz EAC 1 at WordPress, for example, then you'll get into the setting up the site. So get started. Click on that. First thing you need to do is name your site. So this is the web address, but now we need to give our site a name. So put this in here, and you can see I've just chosen something very boring, my learning blog, my studies and reflections, and that's enough. You don't need to worry about anything down here. Click on save settings. Once again, it's going to try and sell you a paid blog. Just ignore all of these options at the top here and stick with what you've already got. Utaz EAC1. I'm going to skip purchase, and again, trying to sell me. Start with a free site and you're in. So now I've got my website. It's called my blog and my learning blog at Utaz EAC. Show site setup. Click there. So first thing I'm going to need to do is going to set up the menus of the blog. So click on add a menu. Now here is the blog. This is what the blog's going to look like when it's finished. We're going to work on just the very basics in this video. So let's click on menus. Don't forget you can read all these little tags to help you understand what you're doing. Click on menus. Now the menus live up here on your home page and each page. So you've got 4 pages automatically: home, blog, about, and contact. Your home page is this one, which has the last 3 posts in your blog. If you have 100 blogs, the other ones will be hiding in blog, but only the top 3, the latest 3, will be on your home page. About is maybe where you can put your personal information about you. Contact information, maybe give everybody your email address that you want them to use if you want to be contactable. Any of these tabs that you don't want in your menu, you can remove them very easily. Just click on one of these down buttons and you should be able to just say no, get rid of that. Now the next thing you might want to do is you might want to add a social menu as well. So a social menu might have Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or other things. And if you add that to the yes. So if you want to remove any of those, if you want to, for example, remove the WordPress, just click on one of them like Instagram or WordPress and you get the information, and then click remove down the bottom. Okay, so once you've removed anything that you don't want, then go down to here and click on the position. Where do you want the social menu to appear? I'm going to put it in the social links menu button. So if I just click there, you can see it's appeared here. So just underneath the main menu is a social menu now. and I can click on the Twitter and the Facebook and the Instagram and the Pinterest. Okay, and I think that's it for the introduction video. In the next video, we're going to look at how to customize your blog, perhaps change this picture, add a new title on here, and also how to make your blog posts look good.